I do have the Zote flakes like this, but I'm opting to keep this out because of it not being safe for the washer. But let me know in the comments how much you ended up paying if you end up doing this. Now the next thing is this Arm & Hammer. You have the Clean Meadows scent. But I look at the other ones, don't really have scents, do they? Probably do, but I wasn't paying attention. But I know these ones I picked because of how I think they would go together. So actually, I'll go back to this. Let's go with this first. This makes more sense. So this is kind of like the other laundry boosters, like they're rivals, aren't they? But anyway, I use both of them. And I got introduced to this on YouTube years and years ago by the ladies when there's that trend on YouTube when everybody was leaving their clean clothes in the bathtub and soaking them in this for hours and coming back and seeing how filthy everything was. And I started buying this back then. And when that's when I was introduced to making my own detergent to save money. But then I started making a little more money, having a little less time, buying a little more expensive stuff, and then to get in my roots. But right now, it's a good time to go back, right? So again, this is the Arm & Hammer laundry booster. And, ooh, wait 1 second. It's very strong. Okay. I should have probably done like a lasagna thing. Layer, and then mixed and stuff. But I think as I was going more for the pour and the aesthetic of that. But I should have layered it because it would be easier to mix. Because I decided I'm going to lay it on its side and roll it like a drum. So we'll see how that goes. And I don't know if I'm going to bring you outside with me, but we'll see. All right, so we have that in there. The next thing I was saying, because I was mentioning, I got this scent because I think it will pair well with this one when I smelt them next to each other in the store. So, and they both have like meadowy, flowery type of themes. Alright, so Arm & Hammer. These are scent beads, which I don't use scent beads most of the time. I don't do too much. And I try, even when I do like a Tide Pod, it's usually the clear and free type. But we're gonna just add, oh, that's cute. Gonna add that to this. It smells so delicious. And then last we have the Ariel, and this is what we use in England, so I never really abandoned Ariel completely. So this is one of my main soaps.